Well, good morning, everyone. Meteorologist Michael Wilhite here with your SouthernIndianaWeather.com QuickCast video. It is May the 7th, 2014. Currently around 6 a.m. here at the Southern Indiana Weather Office. 63 beautiful degrees under mainly clear skies with a very light southwest wind, and the barometer is rising. Taking a look at your daily almanac yesterday, I forecasted 84 degrees for your high on Tuesday. Bullseye, that's exactly what we got. I forecasted 63 for your overnight low, and that is exactly where we are right now. If the temperature doesn't fall, it will be bullseye for both of them. You can see that is well above our average highs and lows by pretty close to 10 degrees. Sponsored today by Metal Magic in Washington, folks. You can check us. You can call Chad at 698-8555 for all of your paintless dent repair needs. And folks, remember they have that traveling hail team. We'll talk about a chance of severe weather coming up here in just a moment, so write that number down. You may end up needing them. Satellite and radar across the area. Clear skies for us right now, but we do have that darn pesky stationary front that is stalled out. That will lift to the north as the low starts to eject more towards the north out of Oklahoma and move up. That'll drag that front with it. It's going to continue on its northward advance today. That'll put that warm surge back up into our area again, and that's really going to warm the temperatures up. You can already see that if we take a look at current conditions across the area. This time yesterday morning we were setting pretty at 55 degrees. We are now 63 degrees here in the Huntingburg area, 66 warm degrees there in Evansville, even 55 up in Indianapolis, to give you an idea of how warm things are going to get today. Here is forecast. I'm forecasting 86 degrees today, mostly sunny skies. Just plenty of sunshine out there today, folks. Maybe a few clouds, but nothing really to worry about. By the time noon hits, we're already going to be in the mid-70s and going up to that high of 86 later this afternoon. Here's your plan, your day forecast, sponsored by Ubalor & Sons, and you can see warm temperatures with plenty of sunshine all across the board. 87 in Evansville, 86 in Jasper, 81 in Columbus, 84 in the Vincennes area, 86 in Tell City. Here's your forecast for tonight. Mainly clear skies tonight, down to 65 for your low. Beautiful evening shaping up as we fall out of the 80s and into the 70s. Sunsets tonight at 8:44 p.m. Eastern Time. And then on Thursday, another gorgeous day shaping up. Mostly sunny skies early. It'll turn partly cloudy skies later in the afternoon as we get that cold front starting to move more towards our area. The rain will move in on Thursday night, but I think everything's going to hold off enough that Thursday during the day looks pretty darn good. The sun rises on Thursday at 6:44 a.m. EDT as we go up to another high around 86. Now on Friday, here's that severe weather risk that I was talking about. Been saying all week that I'm not expecting severe weather on Friday. You notice the Storm Prediction Center has outlined just a small handful of our counties for the severe weather risk. It'll be diurnally driven. By that, it's a meteorological term that we mean just the heating of the day. So by the time these storms get here into southern Indiana, they may be below severe levels. But I got to be honest with you, I'm questioning this anyway. I don't think this is a strong risk. This is one of those marginal risks at best, in my opinion. So I have given the impact index low on everything. Although the Storm Prediction Center has outlined it as the greatest risk for us being damaging wind and large hail, I'm not convinced that we're even going to see a strong storm. I think it's going to be more of an isolated storm. If we do, it would be during the afternoon hours, and once the sun sets, it would just absolutely peter out. So big question marks for me as to whether this happens or not, but we'll keep an eye on it and we'll see what it does, and we will go from there. All right, here's your extended outlook for the next 7 days, and you can see that we're entering into that very unsettled weather pattern. Enjoy Wednesday and Thursday while you can. The rain moves in Thursday night and then extends on, but you can't complain about those temperatures by any means. No Wind and Mow QuickCast, folks. Get your yard work done on Wednesday or Thursday this week because the rain moves in, and even though that says dry on Friday, that should say rain, so just pay attention to the red stoplight there. My apologies, folks, just caught that. But rain all the way through Friday, Saturday, Sunday, really even into Monday and Tuesday. So Wednesday and Thursday going to be your best days to get some yard work done around here, folks. Don't forget you can check us out on a lot of different social media sites: Instagram, YouTube, Twitter, Facebook. You can also hear us on the radio, 103.3 The Fix, and at 101 Country WBDC. That is it for today's video, folks. We will have another one of these for you in the morning. I'm meteorologist Michael Wilhite with your SouthernIndianaWeather.com forecast. Have a great day.